Comparing Aerobic and Anaerobic Respiration by KayScience.com. We're now going to compare aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. You must learn these equations off by heart. So aerobic respiration is glucose plus oxygen forms carbon dioxide and water, whereas anaerobic respiration is the breakdown of glucose into lactic acid. Let's now compare the two forms of respiration. Aerobic respiration uses the energy stored in the glucose. Anaerobic respiration also uses the energy stored in glucose. Aerobic respiration uses the energy stored in the glucose. Anaerobic respiration also uses the energy stored in glucose. Aerobic respiration is respiration when oxygen is present, whereas anaerobic respiration is the breakdown of glucose without oxygen present. Aerobic respiration is the complete combustion using oxygen. It's the complete combustion of glucose using oxygen, whereas anaerobic respiration is the incomplete combustion of glucose where there's no oxygen present. Aerobic respiration is the complete combustion using oxygen. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. So now let's compare the byproducts. The byproducts of aerobic respiration are carbon dioxide and water. However, the byproduct of anaerobic respiration is lactic acid. So the byproducts of aerobic respiration are carbon dioxide and water, whereas the byproduct of anaerobic respiration is lactic acid. So aerobic respiration releases more energy per glucose than anaerobic respiration. So because aerobic respiration is the complete combustion of glucose, there is a larger energy release from the mitochondria. So for anaerobic respiration, I've written here that anaerobic respiration produces less energy per glucose. If you write this in your exam, you will be wrong. So remember that writing produces energy is wrong. You'll get no marks in the exam for this. You must state that it releases less energy per glucose. That's really important. So anaerobic respiration releases less energy per glucose than aerobic respiration because it is incomplete combustion. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit KayScience.com for more free videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.